Alright, today we're going to show you how to adjust the belt tension on your X-axis bed here. Okay, to adjust the tension on your X belt, you need two tools. You need a pair of flat pliers for gripping the belt and a nut driver for a 5.5 millimeter nut or a ratchet with a 5.5 millimeter socket or 7/32, which is the closest SAE equivalent if you don't have the metric ones. So over time, if you've had your printer for a while, you may get a little bit of slack in your belt. Sometimes if you hear a lot of vibration, that might be the cause. The first thing we need to do is, you can see the belt wraps around the back of the sheet metal and is held in place by this lock nut here. So we're going to loosen this lock nut. And keep in mind, we're doing this on an engine so it's easier to see. If you have a system with an enclosure, you'll need to use a small ratchet, like this is a 5.5 millimeter, which is close to 7/32 if you don't have metric. So something to loosen this nut. You don't want to take the nut completely off. You're just loosening it so the belt can move. And it's easiest in this situation to have a helper with you who can hold the bed steady. So what you're going to do next is pull the belt tight. Come back with your nut driver. Get it snug. You don't want it too tight because the nut can actually dig through the belt. And when you're done, you should have nice tension. Just be able to barely get a finger under there, but it shouldn't be too loose and floppy. When you're done, you should have smooth motion back and forth without feeling the cogging of the belt.